Hello! Welcome to the showroom. It's a pleasure to meet you. Are you here to look for a specific type of vehicle today? You're looking at the Karak, a fantastic SUV known for its comfort and practicality. It's available in 4 premium colors: moon white, velvet red, race blue, and graphite gray. Would you like to sit inside to get a better feel for the interior? Certainly. I've opened the driver door for you so you can take a closer look. How does the seating position feel to you? I'm so glad to hear that. It really is a versatile vehicle for any lifestyle. Would you like to take it out for a test drive to see how it handles on the road? That's fantastic! I'll get the keys right away. Do you have a preferred time you'd like to head out, or are you ready to go now?